Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 24 of Inktober and today's prompt is dig. So how has your Inktober gone? It's been 24 days now. I would really love to know how your Inktober went, whether you were able to sketch anything throughout this Inktober, in any particular week that you still feel or you already felt was the best with all the prompts. If you have any, then please comment below. I would love to know. I would love to discuss what you feel and what I feel about the drawings and the prompts, because a healthy discussion on drawing is something that will enrich all of us. So please keep commenting. So for this drawing dig, what I try to draw is someone digging the soil, mostly because of irrigation purpose or planting purpose. I saw this photograph of a person digging the soil and I really loved it. The challenge here was to bring out the fact that it's soil and the human being needed to be separated from that, all that with just ink. Again, it was a challenge, and who doesn't love challenges for Inktober, because that is in itself a challenge. So it was a great experience, I would say. For that, I again started with my ball pen. As I said from the very beginning, I am not gonna use any pencil work. I am sure that I can keep it up till the 31st day of Inktober. I had this kind of an idea. I saw this photograph, I liked it, and thought of drawing it in this style of mine, and this is how it came up. So for the outlines, I kept drawing with my ball pen, and once I felt that it was enough of the outlines, I started using the brush. So here I could freely use the ink because I needed to show the soil as dark enough. For that, I could use ink, unlike previous days where I had to use a lot of water. For example, in the drawing of Chef 2 days back, I used a lot of water, much more than ink itself. That too would definitely be an ink painting, I would say, because using water with ink is definitely advisable if you want to bring out the textures, bring out the highlights and everything. So here also I started with using water along with ink, but as I said that using ink will be much more free for this drawing because it is dig and the person is digging the soil. So again, I would remind you that all the materials that I have used for this Inktober is completely covered in a separate video just before Inktober. I have the video in the playlist at the very front, so if you have not seen it, please go and see it. But first, please see this till the end. After that, you can see the materials, and that will help you understand that drawing is all about the pencil or the pen and the paper. That's it. Not even the quality of the pen or the pencil or even the paper, because the things that I have used for Inktober is very inexpensive, and if I can find it in the stationery shop near me, then definitely you can too. So it's not about the materials, it's about your ideas, your execution, your practice and everything. So keep practicing, guys, keep drawing, keep sharing. I would love to see your drawings. Keep tagging me on Instagram. I love to see your drawings. You can ping me on Instagram. I love to have a discussion. As I said, you can also comment below and we can have a discussion. If you do not have an Instagram or a Facebook account, you can give me suggestions of what I can draw or how I can improve. If you think I need to improve in certain point, I definitely need to, but your help is the utmost necessary thing. Let me very well please know how you liked this prompt and my style of drawing, my idea about dig, and that would really be very supportive, as you always have been. So subscribe this channel if you have not yet subscribed. Hit the like button if you have liked this video and share this one with your friends. Till the next video, see you soon. Bye bye.